We're gonna make 3 sides in this amazing 3-pot crock pot for Thanksgiving. So we don't have to take up our oven space because we're gonna have our turkey and stuffing in there. And we don't have to take up our stove because we're gonna have our gravy and mashed potatoes on there. So in these, this is really awesome. It works really well. We're gonna make some green beans. For our green beans in our middle pot, we're gonna take 2 cans of green beans. We're gonna add some butter. We're gonna take some bacon grease and put in there, a little bit of garlic, salt and pepper, and then I like to use this Goya, basically it's ham base. Got our green beans in here, 1 can drained, 1 can undrained. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter. Butter's added. I got a tablespoon of the bacon grease. I'm putting half the packet of the Goya ham base, and I'm putting about a tablespoon of fresh minced garlic. This is left over from the stuffing that we were making last night, so we're just gonna add that garlic right on in there too. Got the garlic, got the salt and pepper in there. We're just gonna give this a little bit of a stir. It's gonna need to melt down before we can actually stir it. Again, we're not gonna eat for a couple hours, so we're just gonna put this on the low setting. And let's not forget our green beans.